You need the following tools for this job: knife, wire cutter, screwdriver, pliers, the new replacement switch, the new replacement sticker, and tape. First, use your knife to peel off the front label sticker. You should see 4 screws. Use the screwdriver to remove the 4 screws. Pry off the plastic cover. This should reveal the old switch part. Remove the 2 screws that hold the switch, and the switch should come off. Use the cutting portion of the wire stripper to cut off the old on-off switch. Strip off both the ends of the wires that connect to the heater, as well as the ends of the wires that connect to the new switch. Twist the ends of the wires together and cover with a plastic wire connector. Crimp the wire connector with the pliers. You can repeat this step with the other wires. Once the wires are firmly attached, plug your new switch back into the cover. If the rubber button covers have fallen off, place them back onto the cover, then use tape to hold them there while you reattach the cover onto the heater. Re-screw the 4 screws that hold the cover to the heater. Press the buttons to double check that they move freely. And finally, stick on the new label onto your heater.